Welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, as a homeowner, I understand how small projects can turn into big headaches. Starts out as a simple update to a room that can turn into much more work than you expected. When it comes to big remodeling, it's often best to leave it to professionals like this morning. The man I have next to me with us from IVY LEA Construction, owner Mike Washington. You love the do-it-yourselfers, don't you, that you get to come in and afterwards and fix, right?
Absolutely. We like to come in and clean it all up.
That's why, especially a big project, a bathroom remodel.
Absolutely.
There's a lot there that the homeowner may not even be aware of.
Yeah, there really is. There is a lot when you get into a bathroom, between the plumbing, the electrical, all the code issues that you can run into. There is quite a bit of different parts of that job that you really need to be a professional at and really be licensed and make sure you're pulling permits and getting your inspections too.
Yeah, and why are we seeing more people want to update their bathrooms? You know, there's aesthetics, but there's also lifestyle, right?
There really is. There's a lot of lifestyle. There is something we call aging in place. People are staying in their homes longer. They're retiring and they're going to be there longer, so we're trying to always make that bathroom that we're modeling bulletproof for today, but also for the future. So a lot of times we'll put in all the blocking we'll need for grab bars. Sometimes we'll put in the grab bars on day one. Sometimes we'll come back in 3, 4, 5, 7 years when people actually need them. We're taking out a lot of tubs today and putting in showers, making sure that everything is up to code, that when our plumbers come in, we're getting the inspections, everything behind the walls are getting updated. You know, we're going to go into a bathroom project and really gut it all the way down to the studs. That way we can update all the electrical, make sure the right circuits are coming to that bathroom for that bathroom, because they're all a little different. And then everything that you would need in the plumbing too. And then to put it all back together with the fun stuff.
Right, yeah, and you see the looks of some of the lighted mirrors we saw in there. Yeah. A lot of there's a ton of options. That's why you have a design team that the clients meet with, right? Yeah,
we're really going to come to your house first. We'll do a full needs analysis for you, get a budget together. As long as that's going to fit in your budget, we'll actually get you right out to our showroom. We'll have everything picked out. That way you can actually feel it, sit on it, stand inside of a shower to make sure there's enough room for you to be able to understand all the controls and to really look at the tile to make sure that the finishes are what you want, the fixtures, also the cabinetry, to make sure it all is going to fit your style, and then obviously ultimately your budget too.
And the other nice thing with IVY LEA Construction, when the team comes to start,
yeah,
those same guys are coming in to finish too.
Yeah,
right? They're through the whole project. It's not, hey, who's this guy on the team, right?
Absolutely. You know, a team gets assigned to your project. Our interior designer Meg is going to work with you throughout that project from the start. If you need anything during the project, she'll be out. And then there are great team members that are there. Yep, they'll start it and they'll also complete it.
What's your favorite new feature you guys have been putting in new bathrooms?
I love all these walk-in showers we're doing. A lot of heavy glass walls, and then all the shower heads. Really fun.
Yeah, a lot of different options with there, aren't there?
There's a ton, and tons of finishes.
All right, so people are probably wondering, okay, I want to do this project. How am I going to pay for it here?
Yeah, sure. We always have all sorts of coupons. We have some 0% financing for 24 months right now. We also have some 4.99 for 144 months. So we can tailor that to fit your budget, make a monthly payment, whatever is the best for you.
All right, always great options with IVY LEA Construction. That's whether inside or outside of your home. IVY LEA Construction, the most trusted name in home improvement. Again, for all of your needs, whether it be the outside of your home, your roof, what have you, or the inside, the new bathroom remodel, kitchen remodel. To find out about all the services they offer, including those bathroom remodels, head over to their website, ivyleaconstruction.com. Give them a call, 875-8654. And as Mike mentioned, a variety of great financing options in all projects, two of which you're seeing right there on your screen, including 24 months, 0% finance.